In today's video, I will teach you how to update Lightroom and enable auto updates. Let's get started. Keeping Adobe Lightroom updated ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to update Lightroom manually and how to enable auto updates so you never miss an important update. First, we're going to open the Adobe Creative Cloud. To do this, click on the Start menu on Windows or the Launchpad in Mac. Then search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Then open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in with your Adobe ID if you're not already signed in. Now we're going to check for Lightroom updates. In the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, then scroll down to find Lightroom or Lightroom Classic. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to the Lightroom. Now click Update to start downloading and installing the latest version. If you don't see an update, select Check for Updates. Now the download and installation process will begin automatically. And once completed, Lightroom will be updated to the latest version. To avoid manually updating Lightroom every time, you can enable Auto Update so it always stays updated. To enable Auto Update for Lightroom, simply click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right corner. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu, and in the Preferences window, go to the Apps tab, then scroll down to Lightroom, and toggle Auto Update to On. Now Lightroom will automatically update whenever a new version is available. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.